changed a lot. Where's all the piles of stuff? Is that the recycle back there? There's hardly anything there. Hi.
Hello. Good day. How are you?
I am well. How about you?
Really good, thanks.
You have a fridge?
I understand that's a free drop-off.
It is, yeah.
Nice.
Refrigerator one. You've been here before. You know where it goes?
Just around the corner there to the right with the other ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
And then on the way out, if you want a piece of paper to prove that you didn't just dump it in the bush, I can print one out for you, but you're not required to take it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna come after me on that one. I hope.
No.
I've got an alibi. You know me. There you go.
Well, I've seen you.
Yeah, there you
That's
go.
why
us
I
here.
might not help in 3 days.
Ben and Riddell.
Great.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you. She came to the church thing.
Yeah. Going to the dump, dump, dump. I'm not sure
Bumpy.
what rhymes with dump.
The road
I'm
has
not
a lot of
sure.
bumps, bumps, bumps. Look at all this junk, junk, junk. Jump, 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 jump. Anything good there?
Oh, an old chair for a vehicle.
For a vehicle.
Now there's a vacuum.
Yeah, it was a true HEPA Eureka. Looking at the tools. I should not get those things. Look how rusty they are. Don't take those. Come on, we're here to do a job.
No treasure.
Treasure.
Someone's treasure. My trash.
Sure is bouncing around there.
Oh, there's Ray Nickel, the horticulturist.
So you get to drop that off for free, right?
The refrigerator?
No, the
Oh, the green stuff?
green stuff.
At this time of year, I believe.
So I'm just gonna throw it off.
Yeah,
Oh, look
don't
at those
watch me do
sweet
it, 'cause I know
chairs.
you're not gonna like it.
I'm not gonna like it.
Plug your ears. Don't watch.
Oh. Did you take the drawers and stuff out?
Yeah.
The shelves?
No. If
Think-
you want the shelves, I'll take them out. But
Those awesome chairs. Who's getting rid of chairs like that?
right? How about that ride-on mower? That could be in the races.
Does that not belong here?
I don't know. Do you want that? You don't need those glass shelves, right?
What if somebody does?
I don't know. Just didn't seem like the thing to keep.
Okay.
If you'd like me to, I'll hold out. very recyclable in here. Is that a yes?
Yeah.
We'll put them with your kitchen sink there.
It could be like cold frames or something. I hope I can't hear this so well. How's he gonna do this? Maybe this guy's gonna help. No. He's trying to do something else. Oh, he's gonna help that guy. Eagle. There's an eagle over there.
Oh yeah. And a bunch of black eagles and ravens.
What? It's just laying there on my...
Quieter than I thought.
Well, good job,
Well,
honey.
I thought it was gonna be traumatizing.
No, I was busy looking at the eagle.